name is Lauren. I'm the owner at Big Easy Bagels and Beignets in Egg Harbor. My husband is from Louisiana, and we can't go down and visit his family in Louisiana without hitting Cafe Du Monde. And there's just something about the beignets and the chicory coffee and the ambiance. And the bagels kind of came into play because of our children. They love fresh baked bagels. I mean, he does cream cheese flavors that blow your mind, and the bagel flavors are really satisfying. Not a whole lot of people know what a beignet is, and we hear a lot of variations on the word. Bagnets, beignets. The French invented them. It's their version of the donut, covered in powdered sugar. They're addictive, and they're just awesome. The bagels Blake bakes every day, and then they take the day-old bagels and they butter the bun and they put them on the flat top, and we serve them with either shaved prime rib, really crispy bacon or sausage, and a fried egg and some cheese, and they're phenomenal. And they're served with this cute little basket of tater tots, and they're just perfect. He also does the breakfast pizza, which is kind of the biggest surprise of the whole situation. Blake's a biscuits and gravy, like a sausage gravy connoisseur, and he took his killer biscuits and gravy recipe and used the gravy, the sausage gravy, on the pizza crust, and then sprinkles aged cheddar cheese, really crispy double smoked bacon, and scrambled eggs, and it is just killer.